Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we got a shave for you today. I think it's going to be a great shave. I'm excited about the splash I'm using. Busted out the old UPS, Tony Gillette 3D printed, slightly altered design of something Quintero. Found that out. So we're using a Shave Shore brush. It's got green tips, if y'all can see. Synthetic knot. And we'll get to the soap, the Kill soap. We are back on the Kill soap, people. Sorry I had to bring you a Kill soap shave, but you can tell it's like 3 days, 2.5. Can't remember last time I shaved type thing. I don't know, when was my last video? That might have been the last time I shaved. So, however long that is. But figured I'd have a good shave. Use a different bowl. We're going to use the Karve Chrisopher Bradley B-plate open comb in brass, 3.5-inch handle. We should put it up there. And it's the Argyle. The Argyle, I think, is only available really in the stainless. It's like a subtle flex, you know. Alright. And I just put a new Nacet blade in here. See how patinaed this is? I cleaned it up a little because it was kind of getting really gross. Just took some flits and hand did it. Don't really care if it's shiny. I just don't want it green. So I bought this razor with the intention of letting the age show and the wear show. That was a really cool concept at the time for me. You all hear that? Oop, blooping. It's a really decent lather, guys. So, I'm gonna be honest. I love that brush handle, but y'all see me use synthetic knots that are color tipped. I don't like them. They're alright for bowl lathering, but I don't like them. They look good. I guess aesthetics aren't everything, are they? I need to catch up on videos. I was watching Matti. His one he posted like 14 hours ago. It'll be longer than that by the time y'all are seeing this, but congratulations, Brian, from the Wet Shave Experience. Why am I going up on that side? It's not time to go up. Matti's making you soaps. I'm not even really in tune with that. I feel bad. It's kind of been work, guys. And now, y'all all know, still dealing with this crap down here, I'm sure. I haven't even looked. Just irritation's still there. It's red. Can't even remember where I was, for crying out loud. It's just been work and kids, and generally Sunday, man, I'm just sleeping really all freaking day long. And if it's the weekend, I have the kids. I haven't oop, finger got stuck in the thumb hole. That Sunday, I come home, I shave, Plenty of good residual slickness. We're doing 3 passes today, guys. Glutton for punishment. It's felt really smooth. I did something right there. Oh well. There's the bitch, then you die. But, you know, I clean up after the kids. Get the shave in, clean up after the kids. Eat. And be lazy. Pretty much go to sleep. If there's some people like wanting to do a chat or something, sometimes I do it. So my activity's just not as much in the community, and for that I apologize. Wow, I'm bleeding. I Munoz myself. Crying out loud, man. That's a bummer. We'll just styptic real quick, man. My styptic accidentally left it wet, and it's fugly. But, alright, one more pass. Glutton for punishment. So tomorrow, I gotta send out some decants to Magic Mike and Lather Hog. It's the Magic Mike experiment. We're gonna ship it UPS. See how that works out. Because, you know, it's alcohol and you can't send that to the post office technically. And it's even scarier doing it across border because they have customs and stuff. See, it's not a bad lather. So, if you just do UPS, you can send alcohol across border. Gonna see what the price difference is. I'm gonna weigh it and do it on my pirate ship and then go down to the UPS store. Get them out. Seth is totally, he bought some stuff from me. Sepherton Shaves, if you have not seen his YouTube channel, check him out. I think he's up to like 69,000 subscribers. So, definitely doing some cool giveaways over there. And, yeah. I did sell the rhodium, fellas, ladies. Traditional wet shavers. There we go. Sold the rhodium. Let's be real, guys. Do I face lather? And it's a shame to have a knot like that when you're bowl lathering. Don't know why I did that, but it works. Always seem to have some leftover right there, so we wanted to touch it up. At least that's what I noticed after the shave. So we're gonna rinse up, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back to the Good Enough Shave Show. So I didn't even rinse up, guys. I didn't rinse my bowl or anything like I do and normally show you the brush. So there's the brush. I just rinsed the face and everything and came back, man. And the RasoZero Argumella. But yeah, I mean, we've totally put a chunk in that thing. We're gonna get rid of it. That's the goal. And for the splash, which this cracks me up about splashes, guys. And before I get on to anything else about the splash, I Told myself like 5 times, when you finish this, say it. Even when I told myself I was coming back to the video, I forgot to say it. Check out Shaveline NBD tomorrow. I think that would be 9 o'clock Eastern time here in the US, and that makes it what? 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, yeah, 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, or whatever the fuck it is. But out west, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, East Coast. Shaveline NBD. I feel bad, you know? I haven't mentioned it, haven't like amped it up, and I really should have. So for that, I apologize. Now, was it Sean or Brent that told me I needed to pick this up? Watch me be totally wrong and it was somebody else and they're like going to be offended. Comment below. Let me know I'm wrong. I don't mind knowing I'm wrong. So Starwalker. I got the Splash. It has an atomizer. Weird. Like, okay. But it's like super cheap. And like I said, sold some brushes and stuff. So splurge a little. Here we go. Let's mist. So weird. There we go. Rub it in. Get some of the smell on the hands. Put it in the hair. Glasses coming back. Ooh, first time smelling it. Very nice scent. Montblanc Starwalker. So, yeah. Kind of odd. Atomizer. Aftershave. Come on, peeps. I need that restrictor that PAA used to have. I like, man. That's what they need to be doing with these here aftershave bottles, man. And then, super cheap, got the tester. Tester came with the cap, yo. And came with the ugly bottle, but it's also got all this on the back and printing that it's a tester. It's a tester, so. I can't even tell you what it smells like right now. We're not going to get into it. I'm not even going to give first impressions. I'm just going to sit back and wait until I can put my finger on some of the stuff because I'm not that kind of guy. And Old Faithful, Christopher Bradley, open cone B-plate. Guys, they're keeping them in stock better. I do know the fulfillment issues. I had them myself. So now's a good time because they are keeping them in stock. And it is Justin the Red Island Shaver's favorite razor. He says it's better than the Lupo. All right, guys. I'll catch you later and hope to see y'all on Shaveline NBD tomorrow.